Alright, so just pulled the seats out of the Camaro. I'm gonna pull this carpet up in a minute and see what's underneath, see how bad it is. I know there's some rust in there, I'm sure. So these are the lovely seats. I'm gonna check them out and see what's under this cover. Little houndstooth. I'm sure that looked good at one point in time, a long time ago. I'm sure this is some little rat's home. Probably shouldn't stick my finger in that hole. So I got this one. It's probably about the same. Trying to take off a bra with one hand. Like somebody else, of course. I don't wear bras. I'm a dude. Anyways, you get the idea. Two seats. They look the same. Already got new foam. New everything for them. I'm just gonna use the same frames and. So let's see what's under the carpet. Best we can. I think Helen Keller wired this thing last time it was wired up. There's no telling what all this crap goes to. It's a shim. Yeah. Chunks of metal. See daylight through there. So really all this right here did. All this padding did was hold the water on the floorboard. I've got a light in here to see how bad it is, but it still feels pretty sturdy, but we'll see. We may patch it. We're either gonna patch it or replace it, but that may be a little patch. What's under here? More grossness. I think I found some drugs. Actually, I think I found a rock. Too bad. Anyways, I'll get all this stuff stripped out of here. Fix any holes in the floor and go ahead and start sealing it all back off. That's out the door. No clue what that is. All right, that's that. Probably make some videos of us doing the interior. I'm gonna do it myself. Anybody guess what color we're gonna do?